Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Coinbase app. First, download the app from your mobile device's app store. Next, you will create your account and complete the necessary identity verification steps, which typically takes just a few minutes. Finally, link a payment method like your bank account or a debit card to fund your purchases. This secure setup ensures you are ready to begin your cryptocurrency journey safely and efficiently. Once your account is set up, buying cryptocurrency is straightforward. Simply tap the Buy button, choose from over 250 available cryptocurrencies, and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Review your order details, then confirm the transaction. Selling is just as easy. Select Sell, pick the asset you want to exchange, and specify the amount. Funds are typically deposited into your linked account within 1 to 3 business days. The Coinbase app provides a comprehensive overview of your cryptocurrency portfolio. You can easily track your total investment value and monitor the performance of each individual asset. Set up custom price alerts for your favorite cryptocurrencies, ensuring you never miss a significant market movement. The app also offers valuable market insights and trending asset information, helping you make informed decisions about your investments. Your security is a top priority. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. Regularly review your transaction history and account activity to spot any unfamiliar movements. If you ever have questions or need assistance, the Comprehensive Help Center is readily available within the app, offering answers to frequently asked questions and direct support options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.